Solving system of equations. When you're given the following system of equations and you're asked to find this unknown value of b such that the two functions meet at a point. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to solve the system like we would anything else, and I'm going to solve it by substitution. I'm going to substitute this 2x plus b into this y value. I am then going to solve this quadratic as I normally would by making it equal to 0. So 3x minus 2x would be plus x. And then this plus b is a constant that is going to relate to the negative 4, so I'm going to subtract it from the negative 4. All right, so the key point here is we are looking for these two lines or functions to meet up at a point of tangency. And a point of tangency means that they are going to meet at one point. So 1 point means one solution. So what we want to think about is going back to our quadratics unit and thinking about that discriminant value, b squared minus 4ac, and what that discriminant value told us about our quadratic function. And what it told us is that if our discriminant is positive, this creates two solutions. If our discriminant is equal to 0, this creates one solution. And if our discriminant is less than 0, so negative, this creates no solution. So we want to relate this quadratic equation by substituting into a discriminant of one solution, which is b squared minus 4ac. So I'm going to take the coefficients of a, b, and this entire expression would represent c into this discriminant value because a point of tangency means one solution. So our b value is 1, so I'm going to take minus 4 times 1 times our c value, which is negative 4 minus b, and I'm going to make this equal to 0. So this simplifies to negative 1 minus 4 times negative 4 minus b. I'm going to run this through my circuits. And then so what we end up with is a very simple linear equation that we are going to solve for b. So I'm going to move 17 to the other side. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So my b value in this system of equation has to be a negative 17 over 4, which is equal to negative 4.25. So this equation needs to be 2x minus 17 over 4 in order for this line and this quadratic to meet at a single point. Okay, and to check this, we can verify this by graphing on your graphing calculator. And you will notice that when you sketch this, these two lines are going to meet at a point of tangency. Okay.